Vastu Shastra, derived from the Sanskrit words Vastu meaning dwelling and Shastra meaning science, is the ancient Indian system of architecture and spatial design. It seeks harmony between human life and the five natural elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. The roots of Vastu Shastra go back more than 2000 years. Texts like Mayamata, Manasara, and Brihat Sanhita describe how every building should align with cosmic forces. At its core lies the Vastu Purusha Mandala, a sacred energy grid representing the universe. Each direction in this mandala governs a specific element. The northeast represents water and spiritual growth, the southeast governs fire and transformation, the southwest symbolizes stability, and the northwest is linked with air and movement. According to Vastu, design should enable the smooth flow of positive energy. Important principles include orientation. Buildings should face east to capture morning sunlight and vitality. The Brahmasthan, the central open space, ensures balance and circulation of energy. Zoning, rooms are placed according to natural energies. Kitchens in the southeast, bedrooms in the southwest, study areas in the northeast, and entrances in the north or east. These placements promote health, prosperity, and peace by aligning human activities with natural rhythms. Today, researchers and architects view Vastu through the lens of sustainability and environmental science. Designing homes that follow the sun's path improves natural lighting and ventilation, reducing energy consumption. Courtyards, verandas, and open plans, core ideas of Vastu, support passive cooling and airflow, echoing principles of green architecture. Modern designers combine Vastu with solar energy planning, wind flow modeling, and material science to create comfortable, eco-friendly spaces. This shows that ancient wisdom can guide modern sustainability. India's architectural marvels demonstrate Vastu in action. The Konark Sun Temple in Odisha aligns perfectly with the sun's movement. The Brihadiswara Temple in Tamil Nadu balances space and symmetry through precise geometry. Even modern architects in cities like Bengaluru and Ahmedabad use Vastu layouts in homes and offices to enhance daylight and ventilation. Homeowners often report that these designs create a sense of calm, order, and connection with nature. Institutions across India have studied how Vastu-based orientation affects daylighting, thermal comfort, and psychological well-being. Recent studies highlight measurable benefits of proper orientation, open centers, and airflow paths. Thus, Vastu Shastra is not superstition, it is a traditional science of climate-responsive and human-centric design. In conclusion, Vastu Shastra is a bridge between tradition and technology. It reminds us that good architecture is not only about strength and style, but also about balance with nature. By merging ancient insights with modern tools, we can design sustainable spaces that nurture both body and mind. Vastu Shastra, where tradition meets sustainability. Thank you for watching.